Alright, so I'm Spencer.
And I'm Addie.
And we're going to be trying to build a van for under $4,000. We already bought the van for $2,800, so we got $1,200 left. It's a 1996 Ford Econoline extended. It's E250, so very basic van, but pretty reliable in general, so I think it's a good base, especially being extended. The goal is to have it be livable, but you know, we got to do it on a budget. So we need a sink, we need some running water, we need a power source so we can power our laptops and work from the van. We want it to be fully finished inside, so floor, siding, and a ceiling, and some lighting as well. So I don't know if the lighting is going to be wired in or just battery powered, but we'll figure that out. And we need a way to shower as well, so we might have to get creative with that, but it's most likely going to be some sort of camp shower and not a full-on shower, because obviously there's no room in a non-high top van for a shower. So with all of that, and given some extras that we're probably going to add along the way, we're hoping that we can keep it all under $1,200, because $4,000 budget, we have $2,800 van, so we got $1,200 left in our budget. It's probably going to be pretty tight, but we're going to have to get creative with the ways that we use secondhand materials and stuff, and while still trying to make it look nice. So it'll be interesting to see if we can do it. What's up, Bambi? It's time we go clean it up, because it was a work van, so it is filthy, but we're gonna give it a solid clean, focus on the exterior first, and then probably tackle the interior tomorrow and clean it all up. After washing the entire outside of the van, it looks no different at all. Found some pizza in the corner. You want some? So we've hit a point where we need to do a dump run, take all this extra metal and wood. So we're gonna have to call it for now and do a dump run in the morning. So we got Addie vacuuming the inside of the van. And while she's vacuuming, I'm gonna be rocker guarding these, trying to make them a little more appealing. Rubberized rocker guard. The right way to do this would be to prep out, sandblast, and properly prep the surface, but we're doing the quick and dirty way, so we're just gonna get the rocker guard on there. The best part of rocker guard is you can just keep putting it on. So just a really simple cutout to block the majority from hitting the tire. If a little bit gets on the tire, it doesn't really matter, because the tire expands and contracts and it'll all come off in a little while anyways, so it's not a big deal. So we got to run to the hardware store because we ran out of rocker guard, just doing the rear bumper, but I'm gonna do that and finish up the rear bumper tonight and call that. So we've got the exterior all cleaned up and rocker guard done, and we got the van. So if you're interested in seeing if we are able to pull the whole build off, including the van, for under $4,000, feel free to subscribe. And we got $1,200 or a little less than $1,200 left now, because we bought the rocker guard. So we'll see if we can have an aesthetically pleasing van from the interior that appears to be a stealth van. Pretty much from the outside looks like a work van, so that's our goal. Don't know if we'll be able to do it for under 4 grand, but we're gonna try. So thanks for watching.